And now, your NBC26 Storm Shield forecast with meteorologist Gino Recchia.
Well, we started off the Saturday morning with some beautiful weather, but now we are going to be seeing a little bit of some more changes on the way, as we do have a bit of cloudiness and even some rainfall moving across parts of the area. You can see in our time lapse right there. Low pressure system. There's the first low pressure that brought us all that cold air yesterday. Remember, we started off the morning with some 60s. And now we have been seeing those temperatures in the 30s this morning, in the afternoon, the low 40s. Well, another cold front moving in right behind it, and that's where we're seeing another round of rainfall. And just to our west, cold enough air to remain in the form of snow. Minnesota seeing several inches of snowfall, and you see that swirling rotation of that precipitation band moving from northeast Wisconsin all the way back into central North Dakota. That's the cold air that continues to push through. There have been some reports of snowfall over parts of the Badger State, but as it continues to move east, as it interacts with a little bit just enough warm air, it's been in the form of mostly rainfall, but can't rule out perhaps a few wet snowflakes mixing in at times. Here's a closer look showing most of the rainfall now along and east of Interstate 41, but still traveling down south towards Green Lake, Marquette counties, Fond du Lac, and Sheboygan counties as well. So SkyCast shows the continuation of the risk of precipitation for the rest of the evening hours. As this band continues to move east, there's going to be cooler air that works in behind it, so that's going to allow that changeover from rain over to snow, and really more so just in a term of flurries, but most of us will remain dry. Starting off pretty dry in the morning hours tomorrow, but by the afternoon, that sun's going to destabilize the atmosphere just enough to spark off a few additional rain showers, and then farther up to the north, perhaps a little bit of a rain-snow mix as temperatures are going to be likely cooler. That should all come to an end by tomorrow night, and by Monday, it does appear that we will start off dry and remain dry, so anyone going to the Packers game, nothing to worry about in terms of any rain or snow. 36 right now in Green Bay, 35 in Encanto, 34, or excuse me, these were low temperatures this morning, 34 in Appleton and 34 in Clintonville this morning. Now that is the coldest temperature that we have seen since last May, exactly 5 months ago. May 12th, we had an overnight low temperature of 36 degrees. So certainly some pretty chilly air, and we have warmed up right now, exactly 36. That's why it threw me off. Winds out of the west-southwest at 11 miles per hour, sunset this evening at 6:14, which, matter of fact, we're seeing it right this minute. We have 38 in Menominee, 44 in Sheboygan, 34 in Appleton, 37 in Fond du Lac, and it is just a degree above freezing in Mountain at freezing Antigo, 32 degrees. The wind's coming in out of the south and southwest between 10 to 20 miles per hour, and that is making feel-like temperatures in the 20s. And guess what? We are going to be feeling those values all the way into the morning hours tomorrow, so bundle up if you're heading outdoors. 35 for an overnight low temperature. Winds out of the southwest, 10 to 15, gusts near 25 with a wintry mix possible. And then as we get into the extended forecast, temperatures do climb back up into the 50s. By Tuesday, a chance of additional sprinkles and near 60-degree territory by Friday and Saturday. Friday during the day remaining dry. Then Friday night into Saturday morning could have a few rain showers push through.
Look at that, the 60s.
Oh, thank God coming back, because this morning was cold.
It was really chilly.
Yeah, it felt like November.
It did.
It did.
Yeah.
All right. Silence. All right.
Yeah.
We'll come